How to embed an Instagram reel on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add or embed the reels of Instagram of a specific account into the Squarespace website of yours. It is going to be not an individual process, so we are going to be obliged to add, for example, an account full of reels, and then let's say that it is going to be your account, and then you're going to have it into your website because the individual reels could not be shared with the link only. So we are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see this specific page. Head over your account dashboard from here, and then we are going to select the website. Once you have selected the website, we're going basically here to see if it is going to have an empty space that we can go ahead and add the specific embed block. So we are going to select maybe the page that we want to add that specific embed code to, or we can go ahead and head over the home page. Basically, it is going to be a home page. That's a process that we're going to showcase. So in here, I can go ahead and add, for example, a block, or in the same section, I mean by that, I can go ahead and start by adding a section, and that section is going to be specific for the Instagram Reels. So we are going to add a section. Preferably, it is going to be a blank section. Then we are going to click on Add Block. Now we are going to have here embed or code. It is going to be the same. We're going to put it in the middle in here. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger because it is going to consume a little bit of space in here. So here, this is the first step. Now, what can we do, or what are we going to do, is you head over elfsite.com. And Elfsite is going to be a helper website or a helpful platform that will help you to create some widgets without coding. So it is going to have the integrated widget without the code, and at the end of the operation or the process, you're going to get an let's say an HTML code to add it to your website. Now, we're going to select one of the widgets. We are going to head over here. For the social, it is going to be crucial to search for socials. Here we have, as you can see, Instagram feed, if Twitter, TikTok, and etc. We are going to have here Instagram feed. So we are going to create one. So I have obviously created one already. So we are going to take a look of it. So we are going to view that widget. I'm going to present for you the process to create this widget. So I'm going to click on edit in here, and we're going to wait for the feed. So we are going to have here, as you can see, the source, which is going to be this one, for example. I'm going to maybe have another source, which is going to be an account. So I have had here this Instagram account. I'm going to add the official Instagram account. So which is going to be no problem with the copywriting. So we have added it. We are going to click on done and wait for the specific, let's say here, posts and reels. So it is going to showcase the reels and also the posts. So this is going to be a collective of reels, or a bunch of reels that we have only from one account, and then it is going to set up things. So we are going to let it load in here, so you can go ahead and add some filters, for example, for the hashtags and comments. You can go ahead and set up the sorting dates or like that. These are going to be reels, as you can see in here. And you can go ahead and set up the layout as a grid or a slider. It is going to be up to you. So you can go ahead and set up the columns and rows, the header, the feed title, and then you can go ahead and set up the post. So you can show up the post user, date, Instagram link, counts, and etc. So here we have the aspect ratio. You can go ahead and set up the ratio in here. So something like that, or you can go ahead and set up wherever you want. So I'm going to let it as 1 by 1. Here we have the styles. You can go ahead and control your styles, and finally the settings for language. Once you have finished, you are going to click on publish. Then we are going to click close and install. So we are going to install by clicking on copy code on the embed code. In here, we are going to head over Squarespace, double tap on the embedded block. Make sure that we are going to embed it not as a link, but a code snippet. Click on embed data, and then you're going to put up your code. So here we have it. Now we are going to wait for the widget to play, and here you go. So basically, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.